Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the audio quality of this Kmart microphone to see if it's any good and whether you should pick one up. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so in my previous video last week, I actually showed the unboxing experience and what was included in the box to see all of the accessories you get, and it's actually filled with them, especially for the ridiculously cheap $40 starting price. And once I got it all set up, the stand is really good quality. It's metal. Actually, everything's pretty much metal here. There's very minimal plastic. And I just used the included USB cable to connect it to my computer, and it connected straight away. And this is actually the microphone quality from the microphone itself, so you'll hear it come through. So I'll just go to the sound settings on this computer, and you'll see that it's picked it up as an LCS USB audio, and it's going straight into the computer. Now this will also work for plug and play on Windows devices, on like Windows 10 and Windows 11, and also older ones as well. It just works straight away. You don't even need any extra drivers, so that's really good. And I actually personally think this microphone sounds really good for $40. It's super cheap. It's a great way to start out with the microphone. It includes everything you would need to get started instead of having to buy it separately. And it's great just for smaller YouTube channels to start up. And this sounds much better than the previous microphone I was using. Actually, it was just a little pair of Apple wide earpods, which sounded pretty bad. So this is a great step up, this microphone, and I actually personally think it's great for all small creators who just want to start out and get some good microphone quality, because in my opinion, the two biggest important things in YouTube channels is microphone quality and video quality, and this is why I'm so excited to be stepping up my microphone quality here. So I personally recommend this to everyone who just wants to start out with their microphone and get some really good audio quality into their YouTube videos. It's just super cheap to get, and this is at the moment only available in Australia as I know, but it may be able to be found in other parts of the world, but it might just be under a different brand. In Australia, it's sold at Kmart under the Anko brand. And yeah, so, and it's also, the stock availability varies between stores. So I'll just show you here. We can go to Kmart. Here we go, kmart.com.au, and we'll just search for, it's listed under gaming microphone, which is interesting, but it doesn't have to be used for gaming. It can be used for anything really. And as you can see here, there are plenty of options here. They actually have a lot of range now in their tech range. It's really good value. But this is the particular one here. It's 39 Australian dollars, as I said, and it's just awesome. You can see everything it includes. That's what it looks like when it's all set up. I've got it set up here on my desk, and it's working really well. I can easily adjust its location. You might hear a little bit of a sound difference there as I'm moving it around. But yeah, I can adjust it to where I want it. I'm not using the pop filter at the moment. Personally, I think it gets a little bit in the way sometimes, and it makes it a bit hard to see my screen from where it is, but it is available if you want to use that. And yeah, I just really am enjoying this so far. It's great build quality. And yeah, even if you don't want to use the microphone, you just want the stand and all the accessories, for $40, that's still pretty good. Like, you could pay $40 just for a stand alone, which is making this even more of an amazing value. So there's also a gaming microphone just with a little stand like this one. I'm pretty sure it's quite similar to this, except it doesn't come with any of the proper adjustable stands or anything like that, just this little basic one. So there's also that available. $15 is also really cheap, but I don't think the audio quality is as good, especially because of the angle it's coming from. So Yeah, I'll leave both of those linked in the description below. And let me know in the comments below about what you think about the audio quality of this. I'm personally blown away for 40 bucks about how it sounds. But I'd love to know your thoughts and whether you're going to be picking one of these up, and whether you like the sound quality or not. Leave those thoughts down in the comments below. And with that, that just about wraps up today's video. So thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies as always. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.